Welcome back to Politricks. Watch. This is R0B. Now today I'm going to show you a video with what so far in terms of what we've seen on camera. This is Jamaica's smoothest criminal. See, I'm going to show you the video. I'm going to show you some things that you might not pick up on at first, and I'm going to tell you about some of the criminals that operating at Jamaica and how, if them actually put them, I guess you could say, talents might be acidic talents, right? But if they put it to use, Jamaica will be a much better place. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the video run out, right? So just play it fully, not even going to say anything, more you just watch it. Then I'm going to give you the slow version, right? And then I'm going to show you just how much thought this individual put into carrying out this operation, right? So just check out the video, right? And then I'll get back to you. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to slow down the video. I'm going to go look on this, right? Pay more all of the top investigators them watch this video now, because if you might have seen it on a couple of the blogs already before, or you might have seen it on a couple of social media pages, but more the Sherlock Holmes them to step out right now and spot certain things. And I'm going to tell you what me spot. I'm going to tell you why this brother, right, is a different type of criminal. The police need to take him off of the streets right away. Check this out. I will talk on you through this one now. Now pay attention to the first arrow. It's about to come up on your screen right now. That's going to be the woman who get her purse snatched. Right, so she come in and play. First arrow, yellow and blue shirt. You see her? Look behind her, white shirt. Look for the second arrow. You see him? Alright. Notice him hurry up and walk around her. He's already spotted his victim. He already spotted her purse. See, him position himself when he knows her right, she must walk past him. Right. Now he might try to figure out where she go. More than likely, in the store. Watch him do now. Him block her path, right? Because if she go up on her side, he can't get the purse. So make sure stand up and put her, so now him force her to walk on the other side. And then just look what him do right now. This brother is a different type of criminal. I'm going to play it one more time. In slow motion for now. Check it out. Slow version. See, this is the type of criminal that you need to worry about, because he's displaying foresight. He's thinking ahead. Right? See, he might already spot woman purse from when he walk behind her, but he can't take it this one. So him hurry up and get round her, right? And then him put himself in a position where she go walk past. You see the black bag in him on? That he molded to him right, so him can disguise him left hand, because of the left hand I go to the snatching. Notice, you know, which part the woman purse step on her left shoulder. If she walk past him, so him can't get it. So he deliberately steps in. Police need to take this brother off the road. Somebody come get them father, come get them uncle, come get them brother. Give him up, take him off the road. This brother is thinking too far ahead. Too far ahead. See, God, woman back there. With that person, gone. This is the worst type of criminal. This brother is not just thinking on his feet, right? He's not just using foresight, but his ability to combine them, spur of the moment, to carry out film operation. This man, this is the type of person. I talk in terms of the traits that I just mentioned. This is the type of person that you want in the security forces. This is the type of police investigator you want. This is the type of police commander you want. See, he already planned ahead with the bag. He already know, say, he might go use him left hand to take this and use the black hand, use the right hand with the black bag for disguise. He planned ahead. But then, in the heat of the moment, something happened what make him have to adapt. Because the woman now I try cutting on the side that he's not prepared, right? And him whole operation I go mash up now because she go around him that side, him can't get it. So what him do? Spur of the moment, him step in and force her to go up on the next side. Them type of people, trust me, you want to have them working for you and not against you. And this type of ability, you know, anywhere it's applied, that person will excel, even if a criminality. Even in a sports, you see a great defender would know it's alright. Lionel Messi use him left foot. So what him do? Him try force Messi to kick with him right. That's what great defenders do. Them say, oh, yeah, go do this? Alright, go up on that side and now. Because they're trying to get you at a disadvantage. A great defense can plan all them want, but them know say if Messi get off the shot with the left foot, it's over. So them keep trying to force you to use the right. But them know say you're strong in the ear, alright, them try neutralize it. And even if him try use him right foot, alright, try make him use him head. They can plan all you want. But something that gonna happen in the middle of the apps to make you have to go think quick on your feet. This brother might be one of the smoothest criminals I've seen in a long time. As me say, after I'm doing time, JCF probably need to recruit him as an advisor or something. Right, after them take him off of the road, right, just like how Uncle Sam have a style when them certain high level man they beat them system, Uncle Sam recruit them. Uncle Sam say, you know what? If you can get past the FBI system and the DS, and you know what, come work for you. JCF have to go start do that with some of them money. One thing if you understand. So when people put their mind to things, they can achieve it. Even if it's criminality. Especially when you're not, because I don't want to believe that every thief done to them. Right? Or every thief now have no ability if you think quick on them feet and be sharp. You'd be surprised somebody man them, right? Where I use them talents and them abilities for wrong. As me say, when you see the video, him put the woman in a position where even when it look like say she'll get the upper hand, him already do him reconnaissance. Right? Him already step out in front of her. Him already anticipate where she'll go. But in the spur of the moment she switch up on him and him counteract it. JCF need to find this man, charge him, right? And then after him do him time, say listen, come work for you, because you know what? Because your favorite police, like remember when your favorite top cops say they can't control the variables. This brother here couldn't control no variable. Right? All him could do is plan, and then after him plan, in the spur of the moment, him say, oh, this not going according to plan, let me switch it up. So that shows that criminals can think ahead, can set up sting operations, can use foresight, but man, the police was tell us that them can't do this and can't do that because them can't control variables, so why bother? Since we can't control everything, why bother? Suppose this thief was to think like that. Imagine expert in a JSF know if you look to criminals for inspiration. To say, oh well, see that even they can't control certain things, they can plan, and then in the middle of the operation they can be quick on your feet. And this is I open to the point of the video, you know. This is shown. Controlling the variables, and that's nonsense. You plan, and then while the operation is going down, right, you need people who are thinkers who can quickly switch up, right? And say, right, this not work, swap over. Those are the best leaders you can find. Anybody will tell you, whether it's the military, whether it's the police, whatever, there is nothing like a sergeant or a captain, could even be a corporal in charge of a section. You can say, listen, when you go over here, so this is the plan. When you come on that side, you can plan all you want. But then, when the operation go down, the best leaders, the best corporals, the best sergeants, the best sergeant majors, the best captain majors, the best, they can think quickly on their feet and adjust spur at the moment. That's what separates the big boys from the kids. Control the variables. Come on, JCF. Make thief for showing up. With this thing operation there. With the planning ahead there, with the foresight there. purse grabber can do it. For what is fee incentive? The woman probably not have much in her purse and you just couple quick yard and probably want 2,000. That's his incentive. Now imagine your own. Come on, man. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know. For more life. Vulture squad. We know now it's a circle, but even vultures have to eat. Bless.